up the stairs?
Not yet.
You will.
That should be funny.
Petrie, go pick on someone your own size.
Oh.
Brat.
No, no, Petrie. Come here.
He's pretty fast, isn't he?
Yeah. Look out, Shirley.
Don't tell me he's afraid
Here,
of Shirley.
kitty, kitty, kitty.
He wants Rich's feet. You're not going to get him away from your feet, Rich. He keeps going back.
For some reason,
That'd be funny if you chased you up the stairs.
oh, that'd be real humorous. He thought he was smart, but he couldn't outsmart me. I've been to college.
Hello, Petrie. What you doing?
Oh. I didn't have coffee.
What?
Petrie. No. No, Petrie. Got the cord. No. It's my shoelace he's after.
Ooh.
Oh, geez. He bit through it.
Well, that was very good, Petrie. Now you've ruined another thing. That was a very good bird.
He's been out for 5 minutes and he's chewed through the telephone wire and the speaker wire.
Surprised he's ignoring Shirley.
I know. Usually he chases them.
He's got bigger fish to fry. Petrie, now.
Pete.
Bad bird. Bad bird.
Petrie.
Bad bird. No, not good. Bad.
Shirley didn't go after him at one point in time, did she? Maybe getting Shirley too and the expression on her face watching that bird.
Petrie.
The ears are going.
Oh.
Look at it. As soon as I come down.
You watch your feet. I'm surprised he doesn't just climb right up on the sofa.
Oh,
He sometimes does. He knows I'll outsmart him and just climb off, though. He knows who the brains of the family. Oh, no.
Even Shirley came up.
Smart cat.
What is it, Shirley?
Yeah, well, Peachie's the
What
terrorist
is
of the
it?
floor tonight.
What? That big bad birdie after you?
You wonder why you don't have any friends. What? Are you a good bird? No, I probably taped enough, eh?